Unlocking financial freedom in 2025. Are you ready to break free from financial stress and unlock true financial freedom? Today, I'll show you the strategies that can transform your life in 2025. Most people think wealth is just about money, but there are 5 levels of wealth, and knowing your level is the first step to growing it. Financial freedom isn't just luck, it comes from mastering key skills. Here are the 9 skills that successful people use to achieve it. If you want to leave the 9-to-5 grind, you need a proven plan. Start by creating multiple income streams and investing in yourself. Saving money is good, but it's not enough. Real wealth comes from smart investing and creating passive income streams. The financial world is changing fast. AI tools, sustainable investing, and new markets are opening opportunities you can't ignore. There's no better time to start than today. Take control of your finances, take action, and step into your path to financial freedom.